Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Verma speaking here, and welcome you all to the Officers of YouTube channel. And now we continue the series of mathematics, and today's session for very easiest and obviously an amazing chapter of mathematics, that is time and work. Okay, so this is the session for time and work. I what I feel is that. Continuing one shot video is more compatible for me and also more comfortable for the students. Okay, so just continue, we are continuing this thing, and just one disclaimer is that I'm giving you, just make this video speed up this video of 1.5x or 2x, okay, if you're more comfortable, just to save your time. And if you are new in this channel, just subscribe in our channel of Officers Hub. We are covering all the segment of AFCAT portion. I have cleared AFCAT 3 times in a row, one time assistant commandant of ICG and two other government examination also. Okay, so this is the series of introducing obviously the target is to just complete the complete session or the series in just a remaining 1 week of December, and the target is to complete in 31st December. Okay, so if you're new on this channel, just subscribe here. And also the other thing is that this is our Telegram group. You can join here to get the PDF and the best notes. Okay, so we will send all the notes and all the strategy in this channel. Okay, if you are new on this, you can obviously join here. So just come on here, and we will studying the most easiest and an amazing chapter of time and work. Okay, we will study here the concepts and the basic things, and also we will practice here the types of question which is obviously asked in the examination. Obviously, when you are here from last 1 to 2 months, you know me that I will not give you any other task which is not relevant to the examination. I do only that thing which is relevant to the examination pattern. Okay, I completed only thing which comes to the examination. So the first thing is that, and obviously I have to say one thing, that in our channel of Officers Hub, I make a playlist, okay, of the mathematics and English portion. If you are new in this channel, just go and visit and just check out, okay, the playlist. I have made that of 120 golden rules. Obviously I have completed only 60, and the remaining is from 60 golden rules remained. I will cover all this, okay. And also along with that, I'm playing this continuing the series of mathematics of English and also the mathematics. Okay, so mathematics we have already covered the speed, time and distance portion, and the other thing is that we have already covered the one shot video of LCM and HCF. Okay, now we are continuing toward this series or the chapter of time and work. So this is the video regarding the time and work, and the most important thing is that we have to study very limited thing in this chapter. This is the easiest or very easiest chapter in the entire mathematics portion. Okay, just remember the just remember only thing what I have said. Okay, just focus on my highlighter, where my highlighter goes, and just focus on my statement and my lecture. Okay, what I have said here is the formula, that total time. Okay, the total time is equal to efficiency multiplication total time taken to do the work. How we can calculate the total work. The total work is calculated by the efficiency of the element or the person who are engaged on that activity or the event. Okay, multiply by total time taken to do that work. This is the only formula. You have to keep this in your mind. For the shortcut, you can also learn it by W is equal to E into T. Okay, what W means? W means total work. Okay, what does the E means? E means efficiency and T means total time. So this is the main formula. Okay, and just remember one more thing is that efficiency is inversely proportional, okay, to the time taken to do the work. What does it mean, inversely proportional? Inversely proportional means if the person has more efficiency, then he will or she will take less time. Or when he or she has a very high efficiency, obviously I have discussed it. High if When the efficiency is high, the time taken is really low, and when the efficiency is low, the time taken to do that work is really high. So this is the thing you must have to remember. And this is what is written here is that A can do a work in 40 days. So what is the efficiency? Efficiency means 1 by 40. We can do it by 1 by 40. After doing this, just see here, 1 by 40, what does it mean? It means that inversely proportional of how we can calculate the efficiency by inversely proportional of the time, okay, or the day. Here it is written as day, or sometime it is written an hour. So it is complete the thing of that total time. Okay, just take my pencil little thinner. Okay, total work is called 100%. Every time you have to remember that the total work is always one or complete 100%. Okay, so this is the basic introduction about this chapter, and now we will moving towards some examples. Okay, so the example is that A can do a work in 24 days and B can do a work in 40 days. Okay, so from here we will take the LCM of 24 and 40. We will get 120 unit. Okay, and we considered it that this is our total work. Okay, the given thing is that A can do work in 24 days and B can do the work in 40 days. We have to take that LCM of both the number and we will get 120. Okay, and this 120. We have to be this is the our LCM and this is our total work. Okay, and if you divide 120 by 24, you will get, what you will get, you will get 5. Okay, this is our multiplication factor. And the other thing is that when you divide 120 by 40, you will get 3. Okay, this is our multiplication factor. And what is 5 and 3 here? This is our efficiency. Okay, let's see here, from A to B. The time taken is given that the time taken is 24 and 40. Just take it the ratio. The ratio of 24 and 40 is that when you divide both the number by 8, you will get 3 is to 5. Okay, and what you see here, when you find the efficiency, you just see above, है ना, how we get that efficiency 5 is to 3. We get the efficiency 5 and 3 by dividing the total work by time, by days. Okay, a time we can say also. The efficiency is here. Efficiency is 5 is to 3. You can definitely say here that the time taken, the ratio of the time taken is 3 is to 5. And what we will get, we will get 5 is to 3 as the efficiency. Okay, so always the time and the efficiency, okay, the relation between the time and efficiency is um, cross, or we can say that inverse or reverse. Okay, not inverse but reverse. Okay, there have a time is 3 is to 5 and the efficiency is 5 is to 3. Okay, so here you can see, I just give you one thing. Wherever in this PDF, wherever you see that any number which is circled, है ना, which is okay, which is circled, is showing the efficiency. Okay, this is a efficiency. Now moving toward the another example of this. This is the example of that A takes 25 days and B takes 30 days. Okay, C takes 36 days. We have to calculate that when all of them do the work, and how many days or time they take to complete the work. So firstly we have to take the LCM of 25, okay, and 30, and then 36. The LCM of this we will get is 90. You have to just take the LCM of this. Okay, just calculate the LCM and then you will get the total work. This is our 900, and when you divide 900 by 25, you will get 36. Okay, and what 36 here is that 36 is the efficiency of A. Okay, and when you divide 900 by 30, you will get 30. Okay, what is this? This is the efficiency of B. Okay, and the third is that last is 9. When you divide 900 by 36, you will get 25. Okay, and what is 25? 25 here it is the efficiency. Okay, now you are more comfortable, and you know, okay, that how to calculate the efficiency. You just dividing the total work by time or days, And how we calculate the total work? We have to take the LCM of the days to calculate the total work. Okay, so here it is. The total work by ABC is that 900 divided by 91. And what is from where we get the 91? The 91 we get from here. We calculate or we add the complete efficiency. Okay, just see here, when you add the 36, 30, 25, you will get 91. Okay, this is our efficiency, and above in numerator they have 900 as a total work, and by dividing work divided by efficiency, what we will get? We will get the time, total time. According to this formula, what we will get? Just see here, total work divided by efficiency, we will get the total time taken to do the work. It is clear? Okay, so I know this is the easiest thing. So just come here, and the second this is the example we are taking right now. Okay, A take 45 days, and okay, and A plus B take 25 days. What is the total time, total work? Just take the LCM of 24 and 25, 45 and 25, we will get 225. Okay, this is the total work. And the what is the efficiency? Okay, when we divide 2 to 5 divided by 45, we will get the efficiency is that 5. Okay, and when we divide 2 to 5 or 225 divided by 25, okay, we will get 9 as an efficiency of A plus B. So just see here, they have a one thing which you must have to focus. Okay, just focus everyone. Just see here what is written here. Okay, they have the efficiency of A is 5. We already calculate that. But when we calculate the A plus B, the efficiency of A plus B is 9. Okay, the efficiency of A plus B is 9. So we already calculated the efficiency of A is 5. So we mention the efficiency of A is 5. Okay, and the complete efficiency of A plus B is 9, as we have already calculated that. So now you can say, or you tell me that what is the efficiency of B? The efficiency of B is that 4. And how we will get it? We get the efficiency of B by subtracting the total efficiency of A plus B, that is 9, minus or subtraction by efficiency of A, that is 4, that is 5. We will get 4 as the efficiency of B. Okay, just remember this thing. They have such many more cases in the questions when you have given some group of elements where they have done a work. Okay, and so you will get the complete efficiency or the total efficiency, and from where you have to calculate the particular efficiency of all individuals. Okay, so how many days B can do the work, or B alone can do the work? The total time, the total work. Okay, this is the total work 2 to 5, and the efficiency of B. What is the efficiency of B? We have calculated earlier is that 4. Okay, just divide 2 to 5 by 4. We will get 56 whole 1 by 4 days. This is the time taken by B to complete the work alone. Okay, so now you can easily get that thing. This is the easiest thing. Okay, so just come here, and now we will practice some more questions regarding this. Okay, so obviously you have made your video increase the speed of a video of 1.5x or 2x. Okay, so we are completing this thing more in a quick time, that if A alone can do a job in 72 days, okay, then in how many days can B alone do the job if together they can do the job in 40 days? What is given in the question? In question it is given here that A done the work in 72 days and A and B do the work in 40 days. We have only we have definitely only this thing. So the next target is that the next thing what we will calculate is that what is the LCM of 72 and 40. Okay, you have to calculate them manually or in by pen and paper. Okay, by what is the LCM of 72 and 40? The LCM of this is 360. Okay, that is 360, and this is a total work. Okay, and now when you divide 360 by 72, you will get this efficiency as 5. And why I have rounded this number? Because I've told you wherever in this PDF, you will see the number is circulated or circled by circle. Okay, is circled. Then this is our efficiency. I have done this only because to not get confused. Okay, so this is the complete efficiency. Just come here. The efficiency of A is 5, and in second, the A plus B. Okay, the efficiency of A plus B is 9. Then we will calculate the efficiency of B is 4. How we can calculate it? Because just subtracting the total efficiency 9 by minus 5, we will get 4 as the efficiency of B. Okay, and what the question asks? The question asks is that how many days? And B alone can do the job. Okay, so the complete total work is that 360. We have the total work divided by the efficiency of B, and the efficiency of B is 4. Just divide it and you will get that total days or time B take to complete the work is 90 days, and this is our answer. Okay, so this is the very easiest question, and all question in the examination asked in such patterns. Okay, and firstly I have to show something. Okay, I'm scrolling this PDF and just focus here in the screen. These are all the practice questions of different types which is asked in the examinations as well. And the other thing is that this is the type of question where A left the job 1 day earlier, 2 day earlier, or A and B start 1 day after B. Okay, such type of questions asked in the examination. These are a concept, and I'm just showing you because to feel that this is how valuable the content is. This is the content what is asked in the examination every time. Okay, these are concept. These are one concept, and earlier these are such questions, practice questions. Okay, and these are the questions concept regarding wages or time work. You see here, these are all the questions. They are in this chapter. They have a all very limited type of concepts. Okay, so I just prepare or I just made the PDF of such types of question which you have to prepare as well accordingly that well. Okay, so this is our new concept or MDH formula. What is this formula? I will discuss later in this video. Okay, so just come here, and this is our final. Okay. Okay, pipe and cistern. This is the chapter related to the diamond work. So I just introduce this chapter by doing only one type of questions or practice one question but I will give you the complete concept of this pipe and cistern also. Okay, so just come here. Just watch this video completely. This is more valuable for you. Just complete only one video, and you are already prepared for this for the examination. Okay, so the next question is that, or the next question, the next question is that, let's practice here now. If okay, and if you think or if you feel that we have to note that something, just note it. Don't just listen or just watch the video. Okay, it don't get benefit more, but when you write it by your hand, it will definitely benefit. A and B working together can do 30% of the work in 6 days. Okay, 30% of work. From here, if I allow you that if A and B complete 30% of work in 6 days, then can you say me that A and B can do 10% of work in how many days? If they do 10% of the work in 30% of their work in 6 days, then they complete 2%, 10% of their work in 2 days. You all are agree with this? Okay, 10% of work in 2 days. Now accordingly multiply by 10, 100% of work completed in 20 days. So we will do it later. Okay, now the come to here. B alone can do the same work in 25 days. Okay, fine. How long will A alone take to complete the same work? Okay, in this question they asked that only A, tell me the day or time taken by A to complete the work. Okay, so the first thing is that we will calculate the total work. Firstly, A plus B do the work in 20 days. From here, from the first line, we will conclude that from 30% they complete the work in 6 days. We will get the 100% of work they complete the work in 20 days. Okay, and from the second line, B is complete the work in 25 days. Okay, by taking the LCM of 20 and 25, we will get 100 as a LCM, and this is our total work. Okay, we considered it the total work. What is the efficiency? The efficiency is that 100 divided by 20 is that 5. This is the efficiency. Okay, this is the efficiency of A plus B, and the efficiency of B is 4. And how we get the 4 is that 100 divided by 25 is that 4. So the efficiency of A we will get is that 1, only 1. So the time taken, or the days, number of days A alone can complete the work is 100, that is our total work, divided by the efficiency of A is 1, is equal to 100 days. Okay, so the answer is 100 days. Now moving toward this is the same type of question which is in first example. Let's move here, and the next example is that A and B can complete a work in 80 days and 96 days respectively. What does the respectively mean? Respectively means that A complete the work in 80 days and B complete the work in 96 days. Okay, they completed the work in 32 days. They complete the work in 32 days. What does it mean? It means that A plus B complete the work in 32 days with the help of C. Okay, with the help of C, and here the introduction of C also. How many days will C take to complete the entire work alone? Here, what the question asks, is that how many days C takes to complete the work. What is given here is that A complete the work in 80 days, B complete the work in 96 days, and what does it mean? It means A plus B plus C complete the work in 32 days. And when we take the LCM of 80, 96, and 32, we will get 480 as the LCM, okay, or we consider it the total work, that is 480. And what is the efficiency of A? By dividing 480 by 80, we will get 6. Okay, we will get 6 as the efficiency. So here it is. And for the efficiency of B, we will get 480 divided by 96 is that 5. And when we divide 480 by 32, we will get 15. This is our efficiency. Okay, when you add the efficiency of A and B, that is 6 plus 5 11, but the complete efficiency of A plus B plus C is given that 15, and now we have to divide, subtract. Okay, the 15 subtraction by 11, that we will get 4 as the efficiency, and the efficiency is belongs from C. Okay, this is the efficiency of C. So the given question, just I change the highlighter. Okay, and the efficiency of C we get is 4, and the time taken by C to complete the task is that the total work, that is 480 divided by 4, that is the efficiency, we will get 120 days. I think this is the easiest question. This is the all type of easiest questions. Okay, in first two questions we have already covered that in given two patterns, there were two individuals or elements. They are doing the work. But in the next question example, we have discussed it that there were three elements or three individuals. They are doing the work. So it is easiest thing that you get it. Okay, this is the right answer of 120. Now moving toward the next example. This is the same example. Okay, just read it out. Working together, A and B and can do a job in 40 days. Okay, B and C in 36 days. Okay, fine. And all three together in 24 days. In how many days can B alone do the job? Okay, the question asks is that they have given certain sets of given numbers or days which is done by A and B or B and C. Okay, but the question asks is that we have to get the time or number of days to complete the work done by B only. Okay, so the given thing is that A plus B done the work in 40 days, B and C done the work in 36 days, and all together, all three, they done the work in 24 days. Accordingly, we will take the LCM of 40, 36, and 24, we will get 360, okay, as the LCM. And when we divide the 360 by 40, we will get the 9. Okay, just I changed the highlighter. 9 as the efficiency of A plus B. Okay, and when we divide 360 by 36, we will get 10 as the efficiency of B plus C, and this in the same manner we will get 15 as the efficiency of A plus B plus C. Okay, so just here's the one thing, how we calculate the efficiency of B. When you add the efficiency of 9 plus 10, we will get 19. Okay, and here it is A plus 2B plus C. And but the given in the third segment, the given is that 15 is the efficiency of A plus B plus C. Okay, so when we subtract 19, subtraction 15, we will get 4 as the efficiency of B. This is the easy most easy equation, you can easily solve it. You will get the efficiency of B as 4. Okay, and now the total work is that the total work given is 360. Okay, so the B alone can do the work is that 360 divided by the efficiency of B, that is 4. We will get 90. That is the right answer is 90 to complete the work alone by B in this question. Okay, so all are the different type of questions. Now starting from this, A can complete one third of a work in 10 days. From this statement only, what you can conclude, okay, by doing one third of a work in 10 days, when you multiply 1 by third, you multiply by 3, you will get 1, okay, and the same you will multiply 3 as in the 10 days, you will get 30. What does it mean? It means that A complete the complete work in 30 days. Okay, so and next, and B can do 3 by 5th of the work, same work in 24 days. Okay, fine. What is written here? Written here is that 60% of the same work is done by B. Okay, and the 60% is given by 24. It means that 20% is done in 8 days. Okay, we will multiply by 5, and what we will get? We will get that 100% of the work is done in 40 days. Okay, and I'm just calculating not only by seeing anything or not only calculating by pen or paper. Okay, I'm just doing it by only in my mind. So in the examination you also have to do the same work. Okay, this is the complications which the examiner will give you. Okay, that one third, three fifth, you have to do that and just complete the work in 100%. Okay, now you will have to see the number of days it takes. Understand? Okay, so the next thing is that they work together for 10 days. The remaining work has completed by C alone in 15 days. Okay, the remaining work was completed by C alone in 15 days. Remaining work, okay, fine. In how many days can C alone do 2 by third of the same work? Now here in this question you see the complication of the questions. Okay, many of the candidate or the students take at least 1 minute to solve these questions. Okay, but when you practice this type of questions, you will solve it in under 1 minute, or you can take only 30 to 40 seconds, not more than that. Okay, so in our mind we have already calculated that A can complete the work in 30 days. Okay, you know that how I calculate. Okay, just 1 by third of a work in 10 days, then multiply by 3, the complete work A can do in 30 days. In the same manner B complete the work in 40 days. Okay, just come here, I'll take the LCM of 1340, we will get 120. Okay, what is 120? 120 is the total work. Total work is 120, and the is efficiency of A is 4. Okay, I'm just doing it by changing the highlighter because you will be more comfortable by saying it as in the separate thing or the efficiency. Okay, by circle it. You see here, this is the efficiency of A, that is 4, and the efficiency of B is 3. Okay, we will get it. And the next thing is that what is written in the question, just see here, just see above. They work together for 10 days. They have only two individuals, that is A and B. They work together for 10 days. Okay, so the at the efficiency of A and B, the efficiency of A is 4 and B is 3, that we get 7 as the efficiency of both. Okay, and now they completed the work, and now they do the work in 10 days. So they already do the work in 70 days. They have completed the work of 70. Okay, so the total work is that we have is 120, but they have already done the work of 70. So we subtract 70, we will get only 50. The remaining work is 50. Okay, but at that time C came. Okay, and the in question third line you have seen here, the remaining work was completed by C in 15 days. Okay, so that we have the work is 50 and divide by 15. What is 15 here? 15 is days, and in above 50 is our total work. We will get the efficiency according to our formula. Okay, so 50 is our total work and 15, okay, 15 is our days. So we will get 10 by 3 as the efficiency of C. Fine. Now just see here what is given. What is asked. Okay, in how many days can C alone do 2 by third of the same work? We have 120 work. Okay, what is 2 by third of the work? The 2 by third of the work is 80. Okay, you can calculate in your mind also, and you don't have to just calculate in your pen or paper. Okay, just calculate in your mind. The total work is that 80 we have to do, not we have to do, but C has to do. Okay, so 2 by third of the total work is that 80, and the efficiency of C is that 10 by 3. So we divide 10 by 3. Okay, what we will get? We will get 24. That is, C take 24 days to complete the work alone of the remaining work, not the complete work but the remaining work. Okay, what the question is asked. So you see here that how we solve the complete questions. When you are fresher or new to this chapter, just remember the formula what I have told you. Okay, what's the formula? This is our formula of total work is equal to efficiency into total time taken to do the work. This is not the one formula. This is three formula. How this is a three formula? Just see here, when you have to get the efficiency, you just have to divide the total work by total time, you will get the efficiency. And when you have to calculate the total time taken to do the work, you just have to divide total work by efficiency, you will get the total time taken. Okay, and the one formula is that total work is equal to efficiency into total time taken. Now you can easily understand it. Okay, so these are all the types. I will also give you some questions, है ना? Okay, and accordingly they have already the solution, but I want that you can solve in your own. Okay, just read it. What is here? Okay, A and B can do a piece of work in 45 days and 40 days respectively. Okay, you know the respectively mean A do the work in 45 days and B do the work in 40 days. Okay, they begin the work together. Okay, they begin the work together, but A left after some days. Okay, A left after some days, and B finished the remaining work in 23 days. Just understand this question. Okay, so from the first line what we can conclude is that A do the work in 45 days and B can do the work in 40 days. And the next process what we do is that take the LCM of 45 and 40 is this, 360, we will get 360 as the LCM, and this is our the same total work. Okay, TW means total work. Okay, and the efficiency is here. Efficiency of A is 8, and you know how we can calculate the efficiency by dividing total work by total days or time. Okay, now the efficiency of B is 9. Okay, just read the question again. What it says? It says that they began the work together, they started the work together, but A left after some time. Okay, fine. A left the work after some time. It means, what does it mean? A left the work after some time. It means that B completed the work. Okay, B completed the whole work. It means B is from the starting as well as by the ending. Okay, and B finished the remaining work in 23 days. So what we can do? We have to do that. The complete work is 360, and then what is the efficiency of B? The efficiency of B is 9. Okay, so just multiply 9 by 23. Okay, what we will get? We will get 9 by 23, we will get 207. Okay, and why we'll calculate the 207? Because we have to calculate the efficiency, not only the A. We have to calculate the time taken by A, where A left the work. Okay, how many days earlier A left the work. So what is given here? The given segment is that B can do the work. The efficiency is that 9, and the finished work and the remaining work B can do is 20 in 23 days. Okay, so the complete work is done, the remaining work is done by B is 207. So just subtract it. Okay, by 360, just subtract 207, you will get 123, 153. Okay, 153 is the work which is done by both A and B in the earlier time, or we can say from the beginning. So we have the efficiency of A and B also, that is 9 plus 8, that is 17. Okay, just divide it of 153 divided by 17, we will get 9 is our days. It means from the starting phase, A and B do the work in 9 days. It means A left the work after completing 9 days. Okay, so this is the thing from where we get the answer what is asked in the question. Okay, I think you all get this answer how you can solve it, this type of questions. Okay, and this is the questions what is really asked in the examination also. And the other thing is that they have also one thing of when A and B left the job, C can do alone. They have only this segment. They have only the alteration of individuals of A, B, and C. They have nothing more difficult than this. Okay, so the next question is that, just come here, just read the question. Okay, and understand it. Two workers A and B can complete a work in 35 days and 45 days respectively. Okay, initially both A and B started working together. However, A left after some days and B alone completed the remaining work in 29 days. What's our approach? Our approach is that just take the LCM of 35 and 45. We will get 315 as the total work, or the LCM of 35 and 45. The next thing is that we have to take it the efficiency of A, that is 9, and B, that is 7. And how we can calculate it, you know it earlier. Okay, just by dividing 315 by 35 and 45, you will get 9 and 7 as the efficiency. Okay, so just come here. This is a total work of 315. And now what is written here in this last line, what I have highlighted is that A left after some days and B alone completed the remaining work. It is not written here the complete work, it is written here the remaining work in 29 days. Okay, and we know the efficiency of B is that 7. So, and the number of days is the 29. Okay, so 7 is the efficiency and number of days is 29. So that the work done by B in second segment is 203. Okay, so we subtract 300 from 315, we subtract 203. Okay, what we will get 112. This is the work done by A and B in the earlier phase, or in the first phase, or in the beginning. Okay, so A and B, what is written here, that is the efficiency of A plus B is 16. Okay, and the work they have done is that 112 in the beginning. Okay, so just divide 112, that is 112 by 16. You will get 7 days or 7. Okay, so that number of days है ना. Okay, find the number of days that A and B work together. A and B work together for 7 days. Okay, I know you got the concept, and okay, how we can solve this type of questions? We can solve this type of questions by just taking the total work subtractions by the last or the second phase. What the other element of B have done in the we already have the efficiency, and in questions they have given the number of days. So we just have to subtract the total work, and we will get the remaining work. Just divide it by the efficiency, you will get the number of days. Okay, and this question is the PYQ, or from the IB, that is the Intelligence Bureau, or 2020. Okay, so just come here. Okay, and this questions, what is written here? A, B, and C can do a piece of work in 24, 30, and 40 days respectively. Okay, so they began the work together, they started the work together, but she left 4 days before completion of the work. So you have to focus in this type of questions. What we can do in these questions, where they have asked is that A left the work before the completion, and okay, and B left the work, C left the work before completion. They have given already given the number of days before completion. So what's our approach? Our approach is that the same. We find out the total work by taking the LCM. Okay. Now we have to add the number of days what before they have left. Just take an example. What is given in the question is that she left 4 days before the completion. So just see here in the diagram, or in the line, what is written here. This is the our completion. Okay, so before completion of work, she left the work 4 days earlier. Just imagine when she done the work the complete day, not leave it earlier. Okay, then what is then how many work C can do? C do the work of the efficiency. What is the efficiency of C? We will find. Okay, and now the number of days is 4 given here. We will find the total number of work C have to do, or C left it. Okay, so the thing is that A do the work in 24 days, B do the work in 30 days, and C do the work in 40 days. Okay, just taking the LCM of all these, you will get 120 as a total work, and accordingly, you will obviously find the efficiency of A is 5, efficiency of B is 4, and accordingly C is 3. Okay, and you know it earlier that how we can find the efficiency by dividing total work by the given number of days, that is 120 by 24 you will get 5, 120 divided by 30 you will get 4, 120 divided by 40 you will get 30. Okay, so just imagine that the question is given here is that she left the work 4 days before the completion. Okay, now our approach is that to solving the question we have to add that segment what she has left. What does it mean? It means that we know the efficiency of C is 3, and the in accordingly in questions it is given here that is 4 days earlier. So the number of days is 4 and the efficiency of B is 3. Okay, C is 3. So the total work C can do in that left out day is that 12. So the our approach is that just add the total work is 120 plus 12. Okay, why we do it? Because we do it because of the compatibility or comfortability to get the answer very quickly. Okay, this is the approach. We will get the answer very quickly. Okay, how we can get it? Just see here. 120 plus 12 is that 132, 132 is our total work that is done by A, B, and C. Okay, and there have no left out of number of 4 days because we have already added it. So now when we divide by the efficiency, we will take the obviously C because we have already added the number of days of C also. Okay, so the number of so the efficiency is that 5, 4 plus 3. Just add it on and you will get 12 as the efficiency. So divided 132 divided by 12 is that 11 days. And what is this? This is 11 days. Okay, and this is the number of days taken by ABC to complete the work. Okay, but in question what is asked, in how many days was the work done? So the work done is 11 days. Okay, I have already told you that the number which is circled is just for the easiness to understand. Okay, this is the efficiency. Okay, I think you got it. Okay, what's our approach in this types of questions is that when the question says, I'm just repeating it. Okay, just focus here. When the question asks that when any individual left the work 4 days earlier, 5 days earlier, or 10 days earlier, what our approach in these types of questions is that we just have to add that number of days what he has not done. That means we already have the efficiency of that individual, that is in here it is in 3, and we have given in the question is number of days is 4. We have to add the total work of C when he can complete the work, when he can add on the group, when he is not left out from the group. Okay, so the total work is that 132. So this is our approach, just to add the number of total days. No, we don't have to just left out any one of. Okay, and why we are doing this so, because just for the comfortability of of ourselves, and just the easiness to get the answer in a very quick time. Okay, so just moving toward the other question. Okay, just see here. A, B, C can do a work in 20 days, 24 days, and 30 days respectively. Okay. They started the work together. What is written here? Read it, na? A and B left the work 4 days before the completion of the work. A and B left the work 4 days before the completion of the work. Okay. Completion before the completion of work, A and B left the work. This is the same here. What we can do? We do the same approach. That is, we add the efficiency of A plus B and multiply by time. That is 4 days. We will get the total work, and in total work we add this work. Okay, then whole work will finish in how many days? This is the same question, only just adding one more individual in left out concept. Okay, what is written here? Just see here in the diagram, that is in the final completion A left the work, obviously B also left the work. Okay, so what's our approach? Firstly, you have to just take the LCM of 20, 24, and 30. You will get the LCM is 120, and this is our total work we consider it. Okay, and how we get the efficiency? By dividing it our total number of total work by number of days, that is 6. Efficiency of A is 6, efficiency of B is 5, and efficiency of C is 4. Okay, and the thing is that we also have to add the number of days or number of work. Okay, by A and B. In questions it is given that A and B left the work 4 days before. Okay, so the efficiency of A and B is 10 plus 6 plus 5 is that 11, multiply by 4, that is our time or number of days, that is 4, is equal to 44. This is the work which they left before completion. So when we add this number to the whole total work is equal to 120 plus 1 plus 4, that is we get 164 as the total work when no one left out. Okay, so divide by the complete efficiency or the total efficiency, which is 6 plus 5 plus 4, that is 15. by all three, just by dividing, we will get 10 whole 11 by 5, 15. Okay, number of days, and it's our right answer is option A. Okay. So this is the same thing or the same type of questions. If you feel that I have to write it, the types of questions or patterns of questions, you must have to write and solve the questions accordingly in this approach. This is the easiest approach, and I've already told you that why we are adding this total number of, why we are adding the number of days or number of work in total number of work, just for our comfortability or the easiness to solve the questions, nothing more in this. Okay, just remember this concept in this only when a person or individual left out the work. Okay, so moving toward the next question, what is written here, just read it. I just change my highlighter here. Is that A, B and C can do a work separately, okay, in 24, 36 and 48 days respectively. Okay, B leave 7 days before. Here's the same concept of leaving the work before completion, 7 day before completion, and A left 3 days before completion. What is here in these questions which is different from the above question we have discussed? Work will finish in how many days? Same question asked here. It is that how many days the work is completed. In this questions, you can find out that the only difference is that they have only the 3 days or 7 days given by A and B, which they left out before the completion. Okay, so we have there's nothing different in this. We will find out by separately doing this. Okay, the first approach is that just take the LCM of 24, take the LCM of 36 and take the LCM of 48. What we will get? We will get 144, that is our total work or the LCM also. Okay, and by taking the efficiency, we can obviously find out the efficiency is 6, efficiency is B of 4, of B is 4 and efficiency of C is 3. Okay, and according to the questions, B left 7 day before. Okay, so here it is. Efficiency of B is 4 and the number of days he left is that 7. That is multiply by 7 is equal to 28, and the same repeated here is that efficiency of A is 6 and number of days A left is 3, is that is equal to 18. Okay, just add 28 plus 18 in 144, that is our total work, that is 144 plus 28 plus 18. Okay, here in the diagram it is shown here that is A left the work and B left the work. Okay, so we add both the work. Okay, so the complete work is that 190 divide by 13, and from where we get the 13 is that just add the efficiency, that is 6 plus 4 plus 3 is that efficiency is of 13, adding by the efficiency. Okay, the total work is 190 divided by 13, we will get the number of days, that is 14 whole 8 by 13. Okay, the right answer is D. Okay, this is our answer of D. So this is the complete thing or type of questions. Okay, not complete. I will practice. I will give you the for practice more. Okay. Here it is that this is the concept where the question mold, we will mold ourselves also. Okay. Moving here, A, B, and C can do a work separately in 18 and 24 and 27 days respectively. Okay, they started the work together. They started the work together, but she left after 7 days. It is written here that is from the beginning. Okay, she left after 7 days, and B 4 days before the completion of the work. Okay, in what time is the work finished? So, how we can solve the questions is that there have only thing just to have to understand it. In this diagram, you have to just see here what is written. She left. She only do the work from the beginning of 7 days. Okay, and B left the work before completion of 4 days. Okay, so what's our approach? When C do the work only for 7 days, we left out C only, and we add the date or number of days or number of or the work done by B. Okay, so what's our approach is that just take the LCM of 18, take the LCM of 24, and take the LCM of 27. Okay, what we will get 216, that is total work. Okay, and how we will get the efficiency? You obviously know it. Efficiency of A is 12, efficiency of B is 9, and efficiency of C is 8. Okay, so just see here, our total work is that 216, that is 216, subtracted by 56, and from where we get 56. Uh, okay, just say in the questions, C left after 7 days. Now we have to know the efficiency of C is that 8 multiplied by 7 is that 56. Okay, so the work done by C is that only 56, and B, the efficiency of B is 9, and before completion of work, B left the work 4 days. So 9 multiplied by 4 is that 36. Okay, so what's our approach? Our approach is that we left C. Okay, we left out the C and we add the remaining days of B. Okay, so that this is the easiest thing what we can do here. 216 minus 56 plus 36, we will get 196. Okay, divide by 21, we will get 913 days where A and B complete the work. Okay, the right answer is option number A. Now here it is. What is different in these questions from the above? The different in these questions from the above is that here in earlier we have only discussed that B left or C left the work before completion, but here it is only C done the work 7 day, or in some questions they have given you that he'll do the work only 1 day or 2 day. The approach is the same. Wherever the number of days is smaller, we eliminate it or subtract it. Okay, but in the final completion days, we add the number of we add the individuals who left out. Okay, so this is the approach to calculate it more accurately and fastly. Okay, this is for only for the easiness. And just come here, this is the concept, easiest concept. Okay, this is the easiest concept what you have to learn. What the concept say? The concept says that when A plus B do the work in X days, okay, and A do the work in X plus A days, B do the work in X plus B days, then A plus B do the work in how many days? A plus B do the work in X is equal to root under A and B. So just write it down. This is the concept is that A plus B do the work in X days and B do the work in X plus A days, and B do the work in X plus B days. Okay. So the question is that A plus B do the work in how many days? So X is equal to root under A and B. We will clear the concept by doing some practice questions. Okay, just come here. We will practice one more questions regarding this topic or this new concept, that is A and B together can do a work in X days. Okay, working alone, A and B can do the same work in X plus 8 and X plus 18 days. You can clearly see here. Okay, respectively, A and B together will complete 5 by 6 of the same work in. So what's our approach? Our approach is that A plus B complete the work in how many days? First thing is that X is equal to root under A and B. Here it is, A is 8 and b is 18. So in root under 8 into 18 we will get 4 into 3. Okay, and a and b do the work in 12 days by doing together. Okay, so in questions what is asked here is that a and b come together can complete 5 by 6 of the same work. The total work here it is 12. Okay, but in questions it is asked that 5 by 6 of this work, just only multiply 12 by 5 or 5 by 6, just multiply 12 by 5 by 6. Okay, we will get 10 days. This is our answer. Is this the easiest question, huh? Okay, so this is the important concept. Just write it down in your notebook. We will do same questions one more time, or same type of question one more examples. Okay, you see here is that what is written. A can complete work in 10 whole 1 by more 8 more days. Okay, than A and B working together. Just remember it is written here more days. Okay, while B take 12.5 days more to complete a work alone than A and B. Okay, working together, how much time B alone can do it? Okay, in how many days B alone can do it? Firstly, we have to just write the concept, or what's our concept and what's the question has said. The question says that A and B do the work just in X day. Just say okay, or just let be that A can do the work A plus B in X days, and A done the work in X plus 81 by 8 days. From where we get it? That is in our first line. What is written here is that A complete the work in 10 whole 1 by 8 more days than A plus B together. Okay, so A plus B together can do the work in X days. So we write here is that A is equal to A X plus 81. Just multiply 10 into 8 plus 1. Okay, 81 by 8. And in B, what is given here is that B complete the work 25 by 2 more days than A plus B together. Okay, so this is the concept given in the question, or this is the only numerical value what is given here. What we have to find? Firstly, in this concept we have to find that A and B. Okay, here it is, A is our 81 by 8 and B is our 25 by 2. What we do it here, we can do it the root. Okay, we will take it the root of this, the entire value. We will get 54 by 4. Okay, as a value. And in this 45 by 4, what is this? This is the number of days completed by A and B to complete the work. Okay, but what's in the question asked is that how much time B alone can do the work. So we have to just take this equation. Just take this equation. Okay, according to questions, we take this equation and just add the value of x. What is the value of x? Is 45 by 5. 40 by 5 by 4. Okay, so B alone can do the work is 45 by 4 plus 25 by 2. Why we write here 50 by 4? You can only write it 25 by 2 just by dividing it. Okay, I have written here because only for the easiness. Just by multiply by 2, there's nothing difficult in this. Okay, so the LCM is that 95 by 4, and we will get 23 whole 3 by 4 is our total number of days taken by B to complete the work. This is the another concept. Okay, so the thing is that you have to understand what you have to do in this different type of questions. Okay, now this type of question is finished. We will moving toward the wages form. This is our only, we will cover only two types of practice questions regarding this concept. Okay, so moving forward to this is that wages. Just understand this thing. Okay, let's imagine when a worker is doing a work, accordingly how you pay him. You pay him according to his efficiency or according to the work he has done. Okay, So the same thing is in this concept. When the work done is greater, you increase or we increase the wages, and when the work done is decrease, we obviously decrease the wages. Okay, and how we can conclude the wages? In the first case, work done is directly proportional to efficiency. When the efficiency is greater, the work done must be complete in a greater amount. Okay, and when the work done is greater, the wages must be given more. Okay, so what does it mean? It means we can only find it that the individual who has more efficiency have to pay or get more wages comparatively to the other individuals. Okay, so just remember this formula. Okay, this relationship of efficiency and wages. The greater the efficiency, the greater the wages. Okay, that is the as simple as that. And now moving toward this type of pattern. This is the new pattern. This is the new pattern. What we have to discuss here is that just read the questions that what is given here. A and B can complete a piece of work, okay, in 12 and 18 days respectively. A begin to do the work and they work alternatively, one at a time, for 1 day each. Okay, what does it mean? It means that when in the first day A complete the work, but in the second day A will not do the work. In place of A, B will do the work, and in third day A will do the work, and in the fourth day B will do the work. Okay, it means they two individuals are there, but they do the work alternatively in each and every day. Okay, so the whole work will be completed in. What's our approach in this type of questions? First approach, what we do, the basic thing is that take the LCM of A, that is 12, take the LCM of 18. We will get 36 as the LCM, and this is our also total work. And we will get also the efficiency of both individual of A and B is that 3 and 2 respectively. Okay, but according to these questions we have to approach in a different way. Okay, because they are doing in an alternate day. In the first day A do the work, just see here where my highlighter work. Okay, in second day B do the work, and the same concept, next day A, next day B. Okay, then next day A do the work, then next day B do the work, then next day A do the work, then next day B do the work. Okay, just see here, we take 2 days concept. Okay, what does that 2 day concept means? 2 day means A do the work plus B do the work in 2 days. Okay, and you already find it that efficiency of A is that 3 and efficiency of B is that 2. Okay, just see here, we again write it here is that efficiency of A and B is 2 is to 3. Okay, so just you have to add or multiply, nothing you have to do more. Okay, they have a 2 days concept. 2 days, in 2 days 5 work done, total number of work done is 5 because efficiency of A and B is 5. 3 plus 2 5. Okay, and in 2 days, 2 days they do the work of 5 work done, 5 unit work done. Okay, now our responsibility or our work is to get closer the 5, get closer this unit of 5 to the 36. Okay, just take it only closer. So we multiply it by 7. We multiply it by 7 because when we multiply it by 7 we get 35 because 7 into 5 35. Why we not multiply here by 8? Because when we multiply by 8 we get 40, and they have only total work is that 36. So we the only task is to just get closer toward the total work. Okay, so in 2 days they have only 5 unit of work done. Okay, so just multiply by 7, we will get we will get 35. Okay, we will get 35 work done in how many days? In 14 days. Okay, This is the most easiest things you can do. Okay, 14 days, just multiply. And remaining work is that one remain work is left. We have total work is that 36, but what we have done is 35. The remaining work is 136. Okay. Now you can imagine that by doing alternate days, A B A B A B, everyone do their part by completing 35 unit work done in 14 days. Okay, but they have only one work done remained. So who can do this work? Who has started earlier? It means in the remaining work, one it is done by A only. Just see here, remaining work is 36 minus 35 is that 1. Okay, work done by A. This 1 unit work done by A can be done by A. Okay, because by starting by A. Okay, so what's how many days it take? It take how many days? You can tell me. Okay, by reminding the starting or initial formula, how we can find out the number of days? We can get the number of days or number of total time taken by dividing total work by efficiency. Okay, so the total work remained is that 1 divide by efficiency, and the efficiency of A is 3. So we add here plus 1 by 3. Okay, now you get the idea from where we have written here. Okay, so 14 plus 1 by 3 is that 14 whole 1 by 3 days taken to complete all 36 work done. Okay. Okay, so I have to erase it because this is not the day, this is the work done. Okay, so okay, now moving forward, what's the answer? The answer is option A, that is 14 whole 1 by 3. Now you can get the idea or approach how we can solve this type of questions. We solve this type of questions only by doing these things. Okay, that is by multiplying, or just we have our work is that to take this equation of 2 days and 5 unit work to get closer toward the total work, that is 36 or 35. Okay, and just add one more day. This is the easiest. Okay, so just moving toward on the next question is that A can do a piece of work in 30 days, B in 50 days, C in 40 days. Okay, if A assisted by B in 1 day and by C on the next alternatively, what does it mean? It means that A do the work, but in first half he is assisted by B, but in the next half A is assisted by C. Okay, and the work done will be completed in how many days? So what's our approach? The we have do the same approach or simple approach is that taking the LCM of 30, taking the LCM of 50 and LCM of 40, we will get 600 other total work. And the efficiency is that 20 of A, 12 of B and 15 of C. Okay, and in 2 days concept. In first day, A is assisted by B, and in the second day, A is assisted by C. It means they have a work of only 2 days. And what is written here is that 2 days arrow 67, and from where we get 67, just by adding the efficiency A plus B, just add the efficiency of A and B is that 20 plus 12 is that 32. Okay, and the efficiency of A plus C is that 12 plus 15 is that A plus C. Okay, so efficiency of A is 20 and efficiency of C is 15, so we get the total efficiency is 35. Okay, so the in 2 days we have only 67 work done by adding A plus B and A plus C in 2 days. Okay, now our task is to get closer to 600 because the total work is 600. Okay, you see here the total work is 600. So what we can do, we just have to multiply by here by 9. When you multiply here by 10, है ना? Okay, we have to only look toward in the work part. Okay, when we multiply it by 10, we will get 670, but it is larger than the total work, that is only 600. Okay, so we have to multiply by less, that is 9. Okay, so just multiply in both side by 9, we will get total work is that 603 work done. Okay, in how many days? In only 18 days. How many remaining work left? Okay, just tell me. They have, okay, we have more, we have done 603 work, but we have only 3 work, we have only 600 work. Okay, so we have done 3 work more, so we just have to subtract it out. Okay, so by subtracting 3 we will get 600, but when we subtract 3, this 3 work done is done by whom? It is done by a plus c. Okay, here it is. Last, just see in your left screen is that last work done by a plus c. Okay, and this work done is that 3 hour work done by efficiency 35. Okay, we subtract it out, that is minus 3 by 35. That is the right answer is that 17 a whole 35 32 by 35 days it takes. That is our answer is that option number A. Okay, just see here why a plus c done the work more here, and why we left minus 3, why we subtract minus 3 from a plus c, because this is our complete part of 2 days. Okay, starting from a plus b and a plus c, they take 2 days, and by completion of 603 works, they have only 600 work. Okay, we have to subtract 3 work. In the last phase, a plus c assist, and a plus c do the work. So when here it is 30, when it is the work done is larger than 35, we can obviously subtract it from obviously a plus b also part, also from a plus b part, but there are only less work, that is that is 3. Okay, so the last individual which have done the work is that a plus c, so he has subtract the work. Okay, and you can also do one more thing is that here what we can you can do is that just multiply by 8. Okay, when you multiply by 8, you get the number and you get the work less than 600, then add accordingly, and who will do the work is that a plus b. Okay, this is the second approach I'm telling you. If you want, you can do it as well. Okay, so moving forward, this is our another type, and this is most important type for the AFCAT examination. Okay, and this is I can tell you one thing is that the series which are going, okay, of mathematics and English, this is more important only, not only for the AFCAT but also for the CDS examination as well. Okay, so when you're preparing for the CDS, not CGL but CDS. Okay, when you're preparing for the CDS also, you just have to write it all the concept, because it is most important for the CET examination also, and write the 120 golden rules from our PDF which I have already given it to you in our Telegram group. Okay, so just read it from this question is that 2 men and 7 women can complete a work in 28 days. Okay, where 6 men and 16 women can do the same work in 11 days. In how many days will 5 men and 4 women working together complete the same work? And now you can see here, this is the easiest questions. We can obviously solve it. Okay. So how we can solve it? That's first thing you have to see here, from 2 element it is written here and, okay, 2 men and 7 women. What does it mean? It means that the association of men and women. Okay, but when in question it is written here or, then it is either men or woman. Okay, it means that. So just you have to remember this thing in your mind. We will show or will describe men by M, capital M, and woman by capital W. Okay, so the total work, just you can remind me the total work. The formula of total work is that what I have teach you earlier is that total work is equal to efficiency into total time taken. Okay, that is the basic formula you all know. Okay, so 2m, that is 2 men plus 7 women, multiply whole multiply by 28, and 28 is the time taken, that is 28 days. Okay, and in right portion you see here 6m, that is 6 men plus 16 women, multiply by 11. Okay, what is 11 here is that number of days. So is it both are equal? Obviously both are equal, because both are given by the total work. And from this equation you can multiply it or calculate it to get the value of w and m. Okay, you get the value of w and m is accordingly by dividing or subtracting is that w or m associates with 1 and 2 respectively. Okay, just see here, the value of m is 2 and the value of w is 1. Okay, it means the value of m men is 2 and the value of woman is 1. Okay, so what we can do in the question, we have already completed it here, this part. Okay, so we have done it from this part. Now we have the second part of the question, is that how many days we will find, in how many days 5 men and 4 women working together complete the same work. Okay, accordingly what is written here is that 5 men and 4 women. Okay, so by getting this two value you have to do one more thing, is that just put this value in first equation or in second equation. Either you put it in first equation or second equation, you get the same thing, because you have find it the total work. Okay, so just put this value of 2 or 1 in either of the equation, you will get the total work. The total work is that 22. Okay, so 5 and 28, total work is that 11 by 28. Okay, but here it is that 5 men. Okay, 5 men plus 4 women, so 5m plus 4w. 5m plus 4w, we can write it here, is equal to 5 into 2 plus 4 into 1, because we get the value of m and w is 2 is to 1. Okay, so accordingly is equal to 14. According to question, it is the value of 5 men and 4 women is 14. Okay, and the total work, just divide the total work by the efficiency, you will get the number of days. Okay, so the total work is that by putting 2 and 1 in equation 1 or 2, either in any of both. Okay, so we will get 11 into 28 is that divided by 14. Okay, just have to erase it. Okay, just see here, just clearly see here, we put the value of 2 and 1 in this first equation, we will get 4 plus 7 into 28, we will get 11 into 28. Is it clear here right now? Okay, and when we divide it by 14, okay, we will get 22 as the number of days they are working together. Okay, so the right option is that option number C, that is 22. Okay, and just hold on, I have to put this my laptop in charging mode. Just give me 1 second. Okay, now we can start here from here. Is that next question? This is the same type of question. 22 men and 19 women can complete a work, okay, in 12 days, while 13 men and 15 women can complete the same work in 18 days. Just stop here and solve till this. Okay, so how we can solve it? We have to just think about this approach. What's our approach? Is that 22m plus 19w. Okay, m means men and w means woman. Okay, multiply by 12. Okay, is equal to 13m plus 15w multiply by 18. Okay, and just solve it. This is the easiest equation we can solve. Is that m means 7 and w means 5. Okay, so just put the value of m and w in equation 1 or equation 2. You can put in any of this equation, okay, in equation 1 or in equation 2. So just put the value of m and w, you will, what we will get, okay. So we will get 154 plus 95 into 12, that is 249 into 12 only, okay. But the question asks that in how many days 9m and women, 9 men and 4 women can complete the same work, okay. So 9m plus 4w means 4 women, okay. 9 into 7 plus 4 into 5, from where we get 4 and 5, from the equation it is here, okay. Just remember, okay, 7 into 5, and we will get 83 as the product, and just divide the complete work by 83, okay. Just divide it and you will get 36 days, okay. So this is the approach of these types of questions, okay. I think this is the easiest thing now, okay. So moving further, this is the same approach, okay. This is the same type of question, just do it own, okay. This is the same type of question. Okay, I have to tell you one thing is that 8 men or 17 women. Just see here, 8 men or 17 women, what does it mean? It means that 8 men is equal to 17 women. Both are equal, okay. And the value of m and w from here you will get is that 17 is to 8. And just put this value in this equation. According to this question, you this is the easiest questions, okay. So you can solve it at your own. Now moving further. This is the question is that 10 men or 15 women can complete the work in 30 days. Okay. In how many days can 15 men and 27 women complete the work? I think this is the same as well. So how we can do it? We can do it by second approach. There, okay. We can do it by the approach we have seen it earlier, or we have one another approach. Okay, this is a shortcut, or we can do it. You can do it by the approach I have told you. I have taught you. Okay, this is the second approach that just by taking it 15 by 10. Okay, in how many days can 15 men and 27 women complete the work? In first segment, you can see here in question what is written here, 15 men, okay, and 27 women. Just these numbers will come in the numerator, okay. 15 men and 27 women, okay. But in the question given is that 10 men or 15 women, okay. These numbers will come in the denominator, that is 10 and 15, but we divide only men by men or woman by woman. Understand this thing, okay. This is the easiest approach you can also do. This is the second approach. 15 men divided by 10 men plus 27 women divided by 15 women, okay. Just divide it or calculate it, multiply by d. What is d? D is the number of days, okay, is equal to 30. 30 is given in the question is that 30 days, okay. Just calculate it, nothing more in this. 49 into d is equal to 900, that is it is 99, okay. So what we get is that 100 by 11 is that 9 whole 1 by 11, 19 whole, this is 9 whole, okay. So this is 9 whole 1 by 11, this is the our answer, okay. This is the second approach, and the first approach is that this is our PYQ, okay, of 2022 2020 of CGL examination also, okay. This is the second approach. The first approach, I think the first approach is more better, okay, according to me. I solve all the question by doing the first approach, not by the second approach. But I just remember this second approach, okay. No one knows where it comes. Just prepare well for the examination and prepare all the pattern. And this is the type, okay. I just have to complete it that. What is in this concept? This is the new concept of MDH, okay. Amazing name. So M represent number of men or number of women, okay. D represent number of days, H represent number of an hour and E represent number of, not number of but efficiency per hour. Okay, M represent, again I'm telling you, number of men. D represent number of days. Okay, H represent working day, working hour or day. Okay, or E represent efficiency. So the formula what comes out, the formula is that m1 d1 h1 plus e1 divided by w1. Okay, divided by work 1. Same here, it is m2 d2 h2 e2 divided by w2. When something is missing out, that is efficiency is not given, then don't take the efficiency. And when the hour is not given, don't take the hour. Okay, same approach, or we can write it here, that is m1 d1 by W1 or is equal to M2 D2 by W2. Okay, and this is the equation derives from the above. Okay, so this is the final outcome of M1 D1 by M1 D1 by W1. That is W is here, it is the work. Okay, so moving to the question here, it is working 7 hours a day, 18% complete a certain work in 32 days. Okay, in how many days would 14% complete the same work working 8 hour a day? Just by saying the first approach, first thing is that in what is given, the question is that 7 hour a day. Okay, 18% can complete the work in 32 days. Just multiply only this numerical value, that is 18. Just see here, 18 multiply by 32 multiply by 7, that's all, is equal to, next read out, in how many days would 14%, okay, so 14 multiply by same work. Okay, persons complete the same work, that is same work. Okay, and working 8 hour, that is we have to find number of days. Okay, and multiply by 8, and here in this complete equation we have only d, that is variable. So we will find easily by defining the numerical value. Okay, and we get the value of d is the 36. So 36 is the day we have to complete it. Okay, in how many days? 14%. Okay, 14% complete the work in 36 days, working 8 hour per day. Okay, just see here what I have told you. I just show you one thing is that in this question. Okay, what is doing it? Wait, gone, just wait a second. Okay, so it happens only wait when I have not saved the highlighter or the pen. Okay, just save it. I just have to save it. Okay, now it will work fine. In this question it is given here that the same work, so we don't need to divide by w. Okay, because w will obviously terminate. When work is given different, then we will divide by w1 and w2. Okay, just this is the easiest question, this is the easiest approach. Okay, just by multiplying. And here it is, you can see here is that how many, just this is I think the example of the last example. Okay, I will take it of yours, is that just see here how many men will be required to plow, okay, 50 acres of land in 10 days. Okay, 15 men required 6 days to plow 10 acres of the land. Just understand these questions, just which formula I take. The formula we have already read out. Okay, that is in how many men will be required to plow 50 acre of land. What is 50 here? 50 here, it is the work. Okay, in 10 days, in 10 days. Okay, if 50 men required 6 days to plow 10 acres. In first segment, men is not given, multiply by 10, divide by the work. Okay, that is 50. In second segment, 15 men here, is present here, and 6 days. Okay, they work and plow 10 acres, that is the our work of 10 acre, that is w2. Okay, just cross multiply or divide whichever the numerical value will terminate. Okay, we will get the value of m is 45, that is number of men is 45 in the first segment. So this is our right answer. This is the approach when w is given and when w is not given. This is the easiest segment. Okay, so here it is. Finally we have already completed our time and work concept. This is the same concept. Here it is by pipe and cistern. What is pipe and cistern? So obviously you all in your home you all have that syntax and pipe connection. Okay, pipe connection of what? Pipe connection of water only. Okay, so just see here, this is the same thing, pipe and cistern. Okay, I think the color is not compatible and it's not looking good. Yeah, just make it nice. Okay, just wait, I will make it nice. Pipe and cistern. Sky blue is always good, है ना? Okay, just see here. Pipe and cistern. What is different in this segment? Just understand the concept in just 1 minute. Okay, I'm just taking your 1 minute, not more than that. Okay, just see here. In this is our water tank, or you can say syntax. Okay, this is our water tank. This is our inlet pipe from where motor pump the water. Okay, and water is stored here. Okay, water is stored here in this syntax, and in the downward part there have an outlet for the water. Okay, so we called the inlet pipe as A and the outlet pipe as B. Okay, so just in the same process, just think. Okay, when inlet is larger than outlet, what it will happen? Okay, just consider it. Outlet is smaller than inlet. Okay, it means inlet is larger than the outlet. Okay, then efficiency will increase. It means that tank or that tank or that syntax will be filled by water. Okay, but when the inlet is smaller, or it supply a small amount of water than the outlet, then the efficiency will reduce. It means the tank will be empty. Okay, so this is the concept. So we can apply the same concept as that. Just imagine an inlet pipe fill the tank in 18 hours, but the outlet pipe empty the tank in 30 hours. Okay, why I put the negative in the upper head of B? Because it is the outlet pipe, just for the remembrance. Okay, so A filled the tank in 18 hours, but B empty the tank in 30 hours. Okay, just take the LCM of 18 and 13, that is are 90. Okay, and you obviously know how we can calculate the efficiency is that 5 and the efficiency is that 3. Why we take the efficiency of B3 as negative? Because B is the outlet pipe. We always consider the outlet pipe as negative. Okay, so when we open both of it, that is, A inlet pipe is filling the tank or syntax, and B outlet pipe will empty the tank. Then what's the total or complete efficiency by adding both? That is 5 plus minus 3. It means that we in 1 hour we have only 2 efficiency. Okay, so just see here, the tank capacity is 90. From where we get it by taking the LCM of 18 and 30. Okay, so 19 is our tank capacity, and the efficiency in 1 hour is 2, so that in 45 hours the tank will be filled. Okay, they have a same concept like time and work, but one thing is different is that we subtract the efficiency of the outlet pipe. Okay, we just take the efficiency as a negative, just by taking that 5 plus minus 3 is equal to 2 in 1 hour. Okay, just see here. Okay, just leave this example. This is the toughest example. It will not come in the examination. Okay, I will erase it. This will not useful for you, because this is beyond our requirement for the AFCAT examination or CDS examination. Okay, it is done. And now moving toward this one final last question. Okay, so this is our last question. What is written here is that pipe A can fill a tank of capacity 350 liter in 3.5 minutes. Okay, pipe B can fill a tank of capacity 780 liters in 8 whole 2 by 3 minutes. How long will it take, okay, to fill the tank of capacity 1615 liters if both pipes are open together? Okay, just think about the efficiency. How we get the efficiency is that by dividing the total work by time taken. Okay, so the efficiency of A is that 350 divided by 3.5, we will get 100 as the efficiency of A. And in the same way we will get the efficiency of B by dividing 780 by 8 whole 2 by 3, is that we will get the efficiency of B by 19. This is the these all are the easy calculation you can obviously do. Okay, and the question is that how long will it take to fill a tank, and okay, of capacity 15, okay, 615 liters of capacity when both pipe are open. So when both pipe are open, the capacity is that first pipe capacity of first pipe is 100 and the capacity of second pipe is 90. So in summation, or in conclusion, they have the efficiency of both pipe is at 190, and just by dividing 615 by 190 you will get 8 by 8.5 minute only. Okay, that is a C, that is option number C is our right answer. So this is a thing, or we can say uh, piping cistern concept. Okay, so I think this is the easiest approach, this is the easiest thing, and I think you all feel why I'm doing this thing. Okay, by just complete the session only in English. Okay, I know you all have one question asked in your mind, that why I complete this whole session of 1 hour plus, okay, in just English. Because I don't know. They have literally, I don't know why I complete this session in complete English. Obviously, it will be helpful for the fresher, because when you are a fresher and you couldn't have to clear the examination, you have that ability to understand the English and also the to prepare for in the SSB process. Okay, because you obviously you all know that in the AFSB they have the complete process. In complete process, in each and every task you have to be your communication medium, okay, or you must convey your expression or knowledge in all in English, not in Hindi. Okay, in at every circumstances, and obviously in the interview process, in during the IO, you can obviously have to say in English everything. Okay, so just start speaking or something else, then they have nothing difficult in this process. Okay, I'm just I don't know English, yeah. Okay, I don't know English, but when I started and I get interested, I'm just inclined towards this language, and I feel is that just to convey many things or just to convey anything in English, it is most compatible language or most comfortable language to speak in English and just to understand people. Okay, when I say in Hindi, I have to say more sentences or more words to convey this complete thing. Okay, so I have started my YouTube channel by just saying best by Hindi. Yes, I tried that. Just complete one session in English. How it will feel. I know most of the candidate, and I literally feel I know from the earlier that just by learning in Hindi is more comfortable for everyone, either you know English or you don't know English. Okay, because it will because everything we catch easily in our mind, that which is going in Hindi. Okay, so by thinking the same thing, so I started my all session of FCAT in Hindi. But I think you must have to introduce some new things. Okay, okay. In the from the next session, I will not take the complete session in English, but I will add some sentences in English also, but I will take the session in Hindi as well. Okay, if you're comfortable, just let me know that I will take the complete session in English, because it is more comfortable for me to just complete it. Okay, okay. So just thank you so much, everyone. Uh, when you are not here, just go and join our telegram group. I will send the complete video for the strategy of everything or the examination here only. Okay, just join it here. And from where you get this link of officer sub is that from the channel description. Okay, just click on the description of the channel and you will get two links. That is, one is from the for the Instagram and other is for the telegram group. And you can easily get that link of telegram and join in our telegram group. Okay, so, and when you are new on the channel, just subscribe here and just share it this video on the complete video, or a playlist I have made to your friends also, just to share all the content. Okay, because it is all free, and I have only teach you that thing which is required for the examination. I will never ever teach you that thing which is not come in the examination. Okay, so this is our part from my side. So thank you so much, everyone. It's your job to uh, take this channel to the higher extent. Okay, just by subscribing it. Okay, and commenting it or like the video. Okay, just thank you so much, everyone.